Hello and welcome to the AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the second paper in the foundation tier and we're picking up in question 12. The pie chart shows information about the sales of 800 tickets. There were twice as many adult tickets as senior ticket sales. Show that there were 140 senior ticket sales. Okay, there are actually several ways we can do this, but I think the easiest way is just to find out the angle that's missing here. We know that all of this entire circle is 360 degrees, and then if we can find the angle that's missing here, we can divide that up into the ratio of 2 to 1 to get the angle for the seniors, and then we can find from that how many tickets there were for the seniors. So the way I would do it is to say there's 360 degrees in a circle minus the 171 degrees that we know is for the children, and that comes to 189 degrees. Okay, if that's not obvious, adding 9 degrees to 171 degrees will make 180 degrees, and 180 degrees is half a circle, so 180 plus 9 is 189. Okay, you can use a calculator, of course, if you can't do that in your head. So now we want to divide this 189 into the ratio of 2 to 1. So what that means is, out of every 3 tickets that's sold, 2 of them are going to be adult and 1 of them are going to be senior. Or out of every 3 degrees, 2 of them will be adult and 1 of them will be senior. So if 1 out of every 3 degrees out of these 189 degrees is senior, to get the number of degrees for the senior, all we do is divide 189 by 3. And this is a very easy calculation in the head. Divided by 3 is equal to a third of 180 is 60. 3 times 6 is 18. And 3 times 3 is 9, so that's 63 degrees. Again, you can use a calculator if it's not obvious. So now we know that this angle here is 63 degrees. So now all we need to know is how many tickets is represented by 63 degrees. Well, we know that 360 degrees is 800 tickets. So 63 out of 360 times 800 tickets (63 out of 360) is equal to times 800 tickets, 140 tickets, which was to be shown. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Now in question 12b, we're told draw a bar chart on the grid to represent the child, adult and senior ticket sales. Now, I've actually gone to the trouble of drawing in the bars because it's quite fiddly to do. But the important thing is to do these calculations. Now we know there's 140 for the seniors, and we know there's twice as many adults as seniors. So 140 times 2 equals 280 adults. And now for the children, we know that there was 171 degrees out of 360 degrees in an entire circle, and that entire circle represented 800 tickets. And again, calculator, 171 divided by 360 times 800, 380. Children or child. Okay, the key with the bar chart is to make the height equal to the number of tickets sold, to have the same gaps between each one so it looks nice and neat, and to make sure each one is the same width. Okay, so I chose to put the adult first. The scale I've chosen is so that it finishes at 450, because 400 would have just made it too difficult for the maths, and this was nice and easy to read. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.